Everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. 96 Geo Prism. Snapped a coil spring in the front. The owner told me, hey, it's clunking, man, and it looks really low in the left front corner. I'm like, yeah, it's a coil spring. So here's what happened. Already got the new quick strut. They don't sell the springs separately, so these are pretty cheap. Monroe. Keep the car up in the air. But they took a week to get here, and I didn't really have a loaner car for them. What's the quick and dirty solution? I know a lot of people are gonna have comments on this, but I welded the coil spring back together. Check this out. So it was literally broken right in the middle. It wasn't like one turn. This thing was like wedged in here, collapsed. So I'm like, well, I can't really get it out. But I repositioned it and got it, turned the two halves against each other as tight as I could. And then, yes, those are really crappy looking welds, but hey, this car has been driving like this for a week. And at that point, it seemed like the right thing to do. So the spring isn't, full extension right now since it's kind of missing a turn. But these welds held on there perfectly, and the guy brought it in now, and we can put on the new struts. So, just wondering, it's kind of like the welded ball joint thing. Now it's a welded coil spring. But temporary solution only. I'm wondering if anyone's ever tried to do this. I know it's really hack, but the car, it actually sat up not too bad, and it didn't clunk anymore, and the guy could drive it for a few days until the parts got here. I thought I'd help a friend out. So I don't know. I just want to know your thoughts. Kind of curious if anyone's ever tried this. Not recommended. Don't try this at home, but it works. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Now a little bonus footage. I think these might be the easiest struts in the world to change. 2 bolts down here, 3 little nuts up here. Literally, it might take just 5 minutes. Too easy. Last one, we want to hold it up from the bottom. Drop it down. Done. Look at that beauty. Boom. Boom. So, bearing plate's still beautiful shape. I don't know if these are original. 270,000 miles.